Welcome back to the channel, everybody, and let's talk about the bullish rate hike yesterday. Why did crypto pump on the news of another rate hike at the 0.75 basis points? Now, this was back-to-back 0.75 basis point rate hike. So we're going to talk about why crypto pumped, and a lot of it has to do with, in my opinion, before we get into the opinions of others, a lot of it has to do with this is what was expected. So we basically met expectations. Now, if we would have seen a full point or something different or even higher than that, which was highly unlikely, we had talked about that moving into it, then I think the markets could have reacted a little bit differently. But I want to jump into this article because they provide a lot of great insight into this big question. Was this a bullish rate hike? Are we getting ready to start the next bull run? Is Ethereum going to drive it because of the merge? Let's dive in here. Make sure you hit the like button. Consider subscribing to the channel as well. And here's the article I want to talk about. This is over on Cointelegraph. Bullish rate hike. Why crypto spiked today in the face of bad news. So let me zoom in a little bit here. Crypto markets have been pumping since the announcement of the 75 basis point interest rate hike in the United States, with experts explaining that the markets may have been initially bracing for much worse. So were the expectations that we would see a full point raise, and we didn't get that. It was only the 75 basis point interest rate hike, and people were, excited about that. Let's dive in a little bit deeper. So this is one particular person here. Quantum Economics founder and CEO Matty Greenspan had this to say: markets love going up on Fed days, even when their decision is to be tough. Powell is particularly skilled at delivering bad news. Clearly, investors were expecting worse. So that's one perspective. And as we're going through here, drop your comments down below. I want to get a good conversation going down there. We can all learn from that. And I want to hear from you down below in the comment section. Don't you see that price is just ranging between 19K and 23K? This is somebody else on Twitter. During a downtrend and with no signs of accumulation. So basically, Il Capo of crypto is saying, listen, this is just one big consolidation pattern within 19 to 23K. And yes, we're still in a bear market. He says, if you want to buy here, go ahead, then don't regret it and cry if the market makes new lows, which is still likely. He says, I'm not buying. Now, this is Pav Hundal, an analyst at Australian crypto exchange SwiftX. He told Cointelegraph this: the Fed is saying one thing and the markets seem to be hearing something else every time we see rate rises. In June, it was the Fed suggesting large rate hikes would be uncommon this time around. It's Jay Powell hinting that the pace of increase might slow down. So what Hundal is saying, that people are kind of latching on to one positive piece of news or one positive sentence from Jay Powell, and maybe that's why we've seen the crypto market look pretty bullish here amid the recent rate hike. So here's another perspective. This is another analyst. This is Hundal again. He says the good news is we're not going to have to wait too long to see what happens to the crypto market when any initial volatility washes out. The US is about to release its GDP data. That's today. And that's going to be a big stress test on the overall markets. Any negative sentiment here could wipe out recent gains. So I'm saying this now. Don't be shocked if we come back down to where we were pre-rate hike, right, from yesterday. If we come back, and again, we could trade in this $19,000 to $23,000 range, I believe, for quite some time. And I would be okay with that. I think, that would kind of show me that no news is good news, right? As long as we don't have one of these crazy events like Luna or Voyager or Three Arrows Capital or something like that that can really significantly move the markets down, I would like to see some consolidation, and I think it is likely here. I do think the bottom could still be baked in, but wouldn't be shocked at all if we got a little bit lower and or traded sideways between this $19,000 to $23,000 range. And that is what I've got for you here in this video. Thank you so much for popping in. Real quick before we get out of here, just a quick word from our sponsor today, crypto.com. What's up, everybody? Zach here, and crypto.com, one of my favorite centralized exchanges. They are growing at a rapid pace, and crypto.com right now is the world's fastest growing crypto app. Join 50 million users buying and selling 250 plus cryptocurrencies at true cost. Spend with the crypto.com Visa card, get up to 8% back. Grow your portfolio by receiving rewards up to 14.5% on your crypto assets. They've got a great interface on the phone. They just added, trading where you can set your buy and sell alerts. That is really nice. Not every crypto app provides that. So here's the other thing: securely buy, sell, store, and send and track. They are one of the most secure crypto centralized exchanges as well. Buy crypto at true cost. Again, over 250 plus cryptocurrencies. One of their biggest claims to fame is their crypto.com Visa card. I know many of my friends and family members use it. Sign up today. Check out the links down below. My referral link is down below in the description. And that's it for the video. Thank you so much for popping in. Don't forget to hit the like button on your way outside the door. I appreciate it. And I'll see you all in the next video.